guys, it's Klara here. So today I am back with another tutorial using the Marrakech palette. So today I'm here with my beautiful model Sim. So Sim hardly wears makeup, so I'm going to totally transform her. Just to be different, makeup is fun and I can't wait. Are you excited?
Super excited.
Yes. Now let's get started, guys. So as the transition color, I'm using this nice purple color. This is going to act like a nice base on top of her lid for the other shades. So right now I'm darkening her outer corners and her crease with this dark brown shade. This is a cool brown because we want to stick with the theme. So right now I'm just adding a dark brown shade on her outer corner and onto her crease all the way to the inner corner. This is going to add more dimension to her eyes. So right now I'm just blending that same purple under her lash line as a transition color. And then I'm going to go in with the dark brown on her lash line. So right now I'm going to pack this silver shade right onto the middle of her lids. As you can see, it's full pigment. One swipe, that's all you need. And right now I'm not dipping into the pan again. This is just one application. Right now I'm just highlighting her inner corner with a gold shade. So I love this palette because it's versatile. So right now I'm going to use the black eyeshadow as eyeliner. So right now I'm just darkening her lash line to make her lashes look thicker. If you wanted to do a more bold eyeliner, you can just wet the brush and pack it on. But I'm going for a more smoky look, so I'm just going to keep it dry. So we just finished applying the Smoky Wings eyeliner and I just smoked it out with the eyeshadow. So I just applied the Totally Lash Out mascara on her top and bottom lashes. Look how long her lashes look. But I'm a little more extra than your average person. We're going to apply some lashes. We have been working in-house with these lashes for a while now. And I'm excited to say we're launching lashes soon. So this is the finished look on our beautiful model Sim. How do you feel, Sim?
I feel so different and good. It's great.
That's really good because she's never worn lashes. This is her first time wearing lashes and she never wears a lot of makeup. So I'm all about transformations, making someone feel empowered. So I thought I'd give her a little transformation. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.